Yes, people, so finished product. Hey, what's up? What you doing? We're here today. We're just gonna be prepping some chicken for jerking. I'm gonna jerk some chicken, right? Breakfast not start make it. We just want to get this chicken started, make it go and marinate. You know, so that's later on in the afternoon now. I should say later on in the midday or so. We can start with that. So basically, I already wash it. So right now, I just take off the excess fat. Right, I have to strip off all of the skin off of it because the skin will protect it from the you know get dry out too much when you have it on the grill and things. Just gonna make a little marinade. Just kind of unfortunate, so I don't really have no rosemary today. I love the flavor of rosemary. Yeah, so we are doing tag team it. So I'm gonna do the jerking. Right, guess I do the sides. Guess I do like the sides and the starch. What do I starch? Vegetables and stuff. You see it go. I'm not sure what you have planned.
Put the hand on it there.
Alright, so we have with thyme. We have with thyme, throwing those onion, garlic, couple cloves of garlic. It's like 6 of them. One whole onion. Yeah. Pimento seeds. For who don't know, these
Everybody
are
knows
from
pimento seeds.
everybody, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. So pimento actually grow on a tree, a big tree, and them dry them and thing. So yeah. Alright, that. Just add some water. Just add some water. So yeah, we'll blend it to get it liquid. I'll just rub up the chicken real quick and leave it. Right, so I think this liquefy enough now. Yeah, so.
Let me get a spoon for you.
On my time, you know. Alright, so let's try and marinate on it. This is good stuff, you know. So even after the chicken marinate tonight, I will take it out. We still have to use but this for the gravy.
It's okay, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that. You can't make gravy.
What do you say? Yeah.
Just put all the seasoning on it when we fix it.
Alright, I'll get this. Alright, bring it closer to make them see it.
Yeah.
What it look like so far. Yeah. Richness. And that's supposed to be enough. some black pepper. Not too much. I'm gonna add in the jerk seasoning.
Yeah.
The one is spicy. This is hot and spicy. To be honest, when I use this one, my son complain. They complain say it kind of little hot, but I like it.
So let me see. How we take all the time.
Yeah, put more on that. Goodness, mix up in this thing here. So I'll put this one side for a couple of hours.
Do you not taste it in the
It
first
go and soak.
Having enough salt and all these things.
You know, when I cook, I not taste. When I cook, I not taste, you know. Yeah, all set.
Okay, put some of the butter on it.
Yeah, alright, we just secure it with the that one here. Alright. Yeah, man, thanks very much for the assistance. Alright, so we'll just put on this.
Hold on.
I rest it in the fridge.
Hold on.
Yeah. So now I'll just rest it in the fridge for the time being. Yeah, so I do some preparations for get the chicken woof, on the grill. Alright, so sometimes cold hard to catch, so we just need some good flammable material to get the fire started so the coal can catch. So I'm just gonna add some stuff to it.
So that I'm having them on people, my coconut. I want nice little coconut tree. I get one nice little coconut sucker then call it. I don't want to call it, but nice little coconut tree, and Adrian killed it. You know anybody that can kill a coconut tree? Adrian. Him kill my coconut tree.
Oh, me kill it.
Yes, him have it I do now. I make fire.
What me do to kill it? There's something there that the thing never good because the person who give her it never
Nothing.
the
It
root
was
them
fine.
The thing not come in the root, there's a little piece alone the thing coming. So it dead. Just throwing a match while ago, hopefully. It burn long enough where at least a couple of the coal them catch.
No, it need
No,
yeah.
me not want it out. So me just kinda lock it down a little bit. Lock it down. Lock off it.
How's it going, babe?
Fire catch. Just a wait for it. Heat up some more, we can start load up the grill. Yeah man, so the grill went well on its way now.
Yeah.
So we can start load up.
Or marinate chicken or marinated chicken. Ready?
Yeah, you can look, you can see the, you know,
I don't know if you can see a little bit of smoke coming up or you can hear it.
the redness.
Hopefully you can see the fire in it. Yeah, just a little. Chicken going on. Give you a good picture of the shelf, you know. You know, want to close it down, babe? See what else? See something that can come out of it, you know. It's light no man, it's lit man. Rock it down.
So,
what are you doing now, Adrian?
alright, I'm gonna make a little base for the chicken. Just to spread. A little spread for them, you know?
That's the marinade
Yeah.
that we made this morning. Ketchup and jerk sauce.
And just kinda heal it up. And then the extra we leave over, the extra that's left over, now go use it to make gravy. Yeah,
So what's the purpose of this, babe?
alright, so you give it extra flavor on the outside, plus of course give it a nice color as well. Alright, both sides.
Come a little bit closer. So babe, where does this old jerk thing in Jamaica come from? Jerk pan and, you know, this jerk, yes.
Well,
The
alright,
jerk chicken
so
heritage.
basically the Maroons are the ones that created this culture. Maroons were runaway slaves. So the Maroons, they ran from the plantation up into the hills. And you know, while being in the hills, if you cook on an open flame, the smoke will escape.
Yeah, smoke and the smell and all
Smoke
that.
and the smell will escape. So of course now, when the soldiers, the English soldiers would have come looking for them, they would have been caught. So they found an innovative way. So they basically covered down the food that they were cooking, the chicken, whatever they were cooking, and cover it down so the smoke and all of that wouldn't escape.
Hence we have our drill pan with the lid on.
Yeah man, so actually so it's like a kind of a smoking kind of culture. So that came from that. That was born from that. Jerk and was born from that, and then we kind of mix and master it over the years, and hence we have a jerk pan.
We've developed our jerk pan.
When you cover it down, you get,
And look,
you know?
no smoke, right?
Right.
Yeah.
You get that flavor. So, while doing the grilling, Cass decided, well, she came up with an idea that, hey, why not just basically like put the potatoes on there, the vegetables, all of that in a big package, put it on the grill, you know, because instead of go do the grilling and then turn on stove to do the sides and whatever, why not just do everything on the grill? So she do our thing.
Yeah. Preparing our vegetables to go into the grill.
Put it on the grill, yeah. So it's kind of like a bake.
Or the jerk pan.
Yeah, so we actually like baking these vegetables out there. Black pepper. No black pepper. You got black pepper already? Wait
no.
there. I'll see it here.
I'm just sprinkling olive oil. Pepper. Salt. Black pepper.
I'll put some seasoning salt on it. What I call it?
Can you use some of the Mrs. Dash seasoning. No, I didn't put it in. Just a little bit. Alright. Just a little.
Right, so the packages of potatoes and vegetables are placed on the grill. Placed on the grill.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep.
There we go. There's some more vegetables to go in the gravy. So we already, the marinade is just vegetables. So it's just seasoning
And chicken stock.
and chicken stock. So
Yeah.
we're just adding a few more just to beef up the flavor. Cut now a little bit of oil. I don't want a lot, just a little. This is a mixture of the marinade that we made, jerk, the jerk seasoning,
onions, thyme.
yeah.
Right, so we should know, just
All
add some
blended.
sweet pepper and thing. All that was pre-blended. Oh. Nice.
Smells great.
Wow.
Just adding some celery to it. It's getting very thick. I'm gonna add some ketchup and Wichita sauce.
If it's too much, it can be overbearing. It can be overbearing. You have to be careful how you use this thing. You don't want to use too much.
Worcester sauce.
Cause yeah, no more.
It's actually not that bad. I don't know where you did use it, cook.
You have to be careful how much you use. And then there's something of nice flavor already.
Yeah.
We don't need nothing much more night.
Yeah, it smells so nice, guys.
Sorry, I can't smell it. But it's really good.
Yeah,
It's very good right now. The smell. This is like so good. It's like so good. You want to try it?
Alright, you know a little while for this one. A little while. Forget that.
Alright. Yes, people, so finished product.